Welcome to Noor's Baby Classes. Today I'm gonna tell you about birds. I see some of the birds every day. Sparrow. They have black, brown, gray feathers. They make their nests in houses and buildings. Pigeon. Pigeons have so many shiny colors. Crow. Crow has black shiny feathers. Crow is a very clever bird. Owl. Owls live in old buildings and trees. Parrot. It has green feathers and a red beak. People keep them as a pet. Ostrich. Ostrich is the biggest bird on the land. They live in the farm and the forest. Eagle. Eagles fly so high in the sky. Thank you. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.